Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to travel with pets on Qantas. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in qantas.com and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. Then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Qantas if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen we have the travel guides, flight deals, plan, book, fly, frequent flyer, and in the very middle of the screen we have the opportunity where you can go and book a trip. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and travel with pets on Qantas. So you have to book pet's flight first. So it's important to book your pet's flight before booking your own, as there is a restriction on which flights pet can travel on. Then also use the Qantas Flight to book your pet's travel. Pet travel is a special area in the whole of the aircraft where the temperature and noise are similar to those in the cabin. Service animals, such as guide dogs, can travel with passengers cabin with you. Ensure you meet the necessary requirements and submit any required documentation. For domestic travel within Australia, you can book your pets to fly across the entire domestic network. For international travel, it's recommended to use a pet travel specialist due to a complexity of customs and quarantine requirements. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.